In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get lovable codes in Visual Studio Code. Let's dive right into it and take a step-by-step approach, ensuring you fully grasp the entire process. First, we're going to begin by navigating to the Lovable website. It's an essential source where all the magic happens. Just open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. When you're greeted by the homepage, you'll notice it's a polished and user-friendly interface designed for coders like us. From here, you'll want to head directly to your project dashboard. Look for a prompt or a link that says something along the lines of "Open your project dashboard." This feature provides you with a centralized location to manage your projects efficiently. Once you're on your project dashboard, the next step is to initiate the code download. Within the dashboard, there should be a section or a button labeled Code. It might seem subtle at first, but it's crucial. Click on Code, and voila! Lovable will instantly get to work compiling your code into a neat.zip file. Typically, this file contains your basic components, your index.html, your style.css, and perhaps a script.js file too, providing the backbone for your web development projects. With the .zip file in your possession, it's time to extract all its contents onto your computer. To do this, navigate to the folder where your download is located, right-click on the .zip file, and select the Extract All option. Choose a destination that suits your project or organization, perhaps your main projects folder or desktop for easy access. Now that you've extracted your files, let's open them in Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed VS Code yet, it might be worth taking a minute to do so. It's a versatile editor that really amplifies productivity through its sleek interface and powerful extensions. Open VS Code and use the File Explorer to locate the freshly extracted folder. Simply drag the folder into the VS Code interface or use the Open option under the File menu to select your project. With your project now open in VS Code, the final step is to run your website locally to see how it looks and functions. You might use the built-in terminal in VS Code to launch a local server, or if you've installed the live server extension, you can simply right-click on your index.html file and select Open with Live Server. This will open your project in a new browser tab where you can see it live, just as your users would. And there you have it! You've successfully navigated through the process of obtaining and running lovable codes in Visual Studio Code. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat these steps and explore VS Code's capabilities further. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!